Legally, in a malpractice case, you need essentially 4 elements, typical of any negligence case, because a medical malpractice case is simply a medical negligence case. It means essentially that there has been a breach of a safety rule of medicine, that a rule of medicine has been broken. So to prove that, the 4 elements are duty, breach of duty, causation, and damages. Duty in a medical case is controlled by what the standard of care is in medicine. So duty equals standard of care. And what is standard of care? Standard of care is what a reasonable health provider, medical care provider would do under the same or similar circumstances based on their experience and training. The second element is breach of duty, or breach of the standard of care. And that means that something has been done that shouldn't have been done according to the standard of care, or something wasn't done that should have been done according to the standard of care. So you have the duty, which is the standard of care. You have the breach, which is the breach of the standard of care. And then the next 2 kind of go together. You have causation and damages. So you have to have damages, which means you have suffered harms and losses of some sort, be that physical, be that mental, or both, be that economic or non-economic. Economic damages being medical bills, lost wages, out-of-pocket expenses, lost earning capacity if it's a loss of services in the case of a death case, and future losses of an economic nature, whether it be medical treatment, whether it be loss of earnings. And then there's the non-economic damages, which is pain and suffering, basically harms and losses that have been suffered, both mentally and physically. And causation is the link between the breach of the standard of care and the damages. The damages have to be a result of the breach of the standard of care. The fact that there are harms and losses by themselves is not enough. Obviously, it has to have resulted from the breach of the standard of care. And in proceeding through a case, then those are the essential elements that are required to be proven throughout the case, and if we were to go to court, that's what the jury would be instructed on by the judge are the elements of a medical negligence case.